up, y'all? So today's video is going to be another CurlBox unboxing. I have not did a CurlBox unboxing in a very long time, and I actually forgot about this package. I came across this package while I was cleaning, so I said let me go ahead and do an unboxing video for you guys. So this box is going to be featuring BodyWorks new collection, and that is the Lavender and Aloe line. So I'm just gonna jump right into the unboxing, and I want you guys to make sure you stay tuned for a product review video, because I will be trying out these products on Harmony here and let you guys know what I really think about the product. So as always, when you open up your CurlBox, you do have a little pamphlet card, and it pretty much tell you an idea of the products that is in your CurlBox. So these are all the items that came in this box. Now in this collection, they do not have a shampoo. If you guys are expecting a shampoo from this collection, you guys are going to be sadly disappointed. So the first item that I'm going to start off with is that Lavender Aloe Moisturizing Cowash. Now this Cowash do come in a 12 fluid ounce bottle. Now some of the benefits of using this Cowash is it gently cleanses the hair, it restores moisture, it aids in detangling, and it also increases luster and shine. The way you use this product is you apply to wet hair, work down the hair shaft, detangle hair, and rinse. So the next item in this collection is the Lavender Aloe Anti-Breakage Deep Conditioner. This do come in a 16 fluid ounce jar. So some of the benefits of using this deep conditioner is it softens the strands to make hair more manageable. It adds shine and enhances the hair natural sheen, and it also promote hair growth. The way you use this product is you apply a generous amount to clean wet hair, leave in for 20 minutes, and then rinse. So the next item in this collection is the Lavender Aloe Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Now this sample is 2 fluid ounces, but the original size do come in 4 fluid ounce bottle. Some of the benefits of using this leave-in conditioner is it's a daily moisturizer for easier styling. It aids in hydration for dry or parched hair. The aloe vera in this leave-in conditioner helps soothe and nourish the hair. It improves the overall look and health of the hair. So the way you use this product is you apply a generous amount to freshly wash hair. For best results, do not rinse. So the next item we have in this collection is the Lavender Aloe Hair Plus Body Butter. This do come in a 16 fluid ounce jar. Now some of the benefits of using this hair and body butter is it alleviates dry hair and skin. It moisturizes and softens the hair. So the way you use this product for your hair is you smooth down the hair and you style. It can be applied on both dry and damp hair. For the skin, all you have to do is massage into skin and reapply as needed. So the next item we have in this collection is the Lavender Aloe Growth Oil. Now this is a sample size, and it do come in 2 fluid ounces, but the original size do come in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. Now some of the benefits of using this growth oil is it helps relieve dry, itchy scalp. It stimulates hair growth, reduces breakage and shedding. The way you use this product is you apply it directly onto your scalp and massage. You can also pour it into your hands and work thoroughly onto your hair. It can also be used as a hot oil treatment or as a pre-poo to help soften the strand before washing. Now the next item in this collection is the Lavender Aloe Smoothing Gel. Now this do come in a sample size of a 2 fluid ounce jar, but the original size it does come in 8 fluid ounces. Some of the benefits of using this smoothing gel is it controls frizz, boosts shine, it aids in styling, definition. Now the way you use this product is you apply to clean hair, wet or dry. For waves, curls, and coils, apply and scrunch to define. For sleek updos and edges, apply along the hairline and smooth using hands or a soft bristle brush. Last but not least in this collection is the Lavender Aloe Hydration Refresher. This do come in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. Some of the benefits of using this refresher is it brings curls back to life, it adds shine, reduces frizz, and has a calming scent. Now, the way you apply this refresher is you spray throughout the hair daily as needed. Now, like I stated, you do get 7 decent sized products. You do get a hair refresher, smoothing gel, hair oil, a deep conditioner, a 2-in-1 special, a hair and body butter, a co-wash, and a leave-in. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you guys will not miss the review video when I try out these products. But that is going to be it for now. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later.